here I am doing an unboxing for Juviasplace or Palace. Is it Place or Palace? I'm doing an unboxing of their spooky box that they had during October. It was a $55 box, I believe, but only for $15. Yeah, $15. It came in like this. But let's check this. Oh, I already see stuff. So I don't know what this is. Should I open it first? No. I already see stuff. So let's see the other things first. Okay. Let's see. I have a Nubian by Juvia's loose highlighter in Cleo. Look at that color. This is what the back looks like. Where's the plastic piece? Oh, no. Don't be one of those ones that are a pain in the butt to open. It's going to be a pain in the butt. It's going to do it either way, so you might as well look. Look at, since I already have it. Okay. I don't have makeup on anyway, so... Yes, y'all. That's pretty. I love my little nose now. Okay, next item, because that's freaking awesome, is the Juviasplace. I'm going to say this wrong, and I feel so bad. The Nubian Nourishing Lip Balm in Passion Fruit. I could always use another lip balm, especially with it getting colder. Holy crap, this is what the packaging looks, and it is in passion fruit. How do I... oh, you get a lot of product, but oh, that's like really nice. Okay, put this back so I don't lose it. Okay, so we have the Empress Lip Collection by Juvia's in Mina. It's matte and metallic liquid lipsticks. What? Oh my god. Oh. That was an epic fail. Can't tell if there's like a smell or not, but this is what the metallic shade looks like. And then we have Mina in matte. I'm a huge matte lipstick person. That's like a dark burgundy color almost with a little purple in it. I like that. I'm definitely putting these back. I'm so happy I get to try their lipsticks, their lip balm, highlighter, and I'm hoping that's a freaking palette, because I know some people have said they've tried their palettes, and I've always seen their palettes in the stores and never got to try them. It's a freaking palette. The Rebels Grays. It's a little mini quad. That's so pretty. That's so cool. Okay. That's like really smooth. They don't have names, so they're kind of light colored, so I'm gonna try to do quick swatches. But I really like these. You know, this is without primer, so they look a little swatchy, a little patchy, but Juvia's, y'all, I'm pretty sure just alone the lipsticks is probably like 15 bucks. So this is like crazy. Oh my god. But, you know, out of all the items I've gotten, I really like the lip balm. And I really like the highlighter. I might have to buy a palette from them soon, like another palette, because, and another highlighter, because holy crap, that's really cool. And for 15 freaking dollars, I think with shipping, it was like $18 or $19. So that's like really good prices. Now I know why people freak out about Juviasplace. Holy crap. Sorry, I just, like, oh my god. But yeah, if you guys want to see more videos like this, and if you have a recommendation for a Juvia's palette, like which one to check out first, please comment down below. It would be amazing. Also, if you're new, hit that subscribe button to see more honest reviews, first impressions, random makeup vlogs, or just random videos overall. Also, if you like vlogs, check out my vlog channel, I guess. I'll have it somewhere around my channel. If you can find it, cool. If you can't, it's okay. It's just a random little vlog channel. But yeah, hit that subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this. Check out the makeup tutorials I have right there, or down right here, or right there. Check out my other unboxing videos. Give this video a like or dislike. Either way, it helps with the algorithm. So do whatever you think is best. I'll see you guys all in the next video. Bye.